Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Royal Bank Visa credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Go and open up a web browser first to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.rbc.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up on the official web page of Royal Bank of Canada, go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner and enter your username or your client card number in the text box. After you type in your information, if you want to save the client card or the username on this device, check this little box beneath. If you don't want to do that for security purposes, make sure to leave this box unchecked before clicking on the next button. After you click the next button, you'll be taken to this page where it'll ask you for your password for your RBC online banking account. Go ahead and type it in correct and click the sign in button. Once you're logged into your online banking account, select the credit card option and you'll be able to access your Visa credit card for RBC. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.